Express in simplest form. All right, so this is a lot of work for 2 points. This is a complex fraction, but it's not as bad as a complex fraction because it is a single fraction being divided by a single fraction. So you can just do normal dividing fractions where you keep and you change to multiply, because division means to multiply by the reciprocal. So you're going to reciprocate, which means to flip. Okay, because dividing means to multiply by the reciprocal, basically. So we really have 36x squared over x plus 6 squared. Divided by is going to change to times, and then you're going to reciprocate or flip. All right, so before we multiply, we can reduce, so we have to factor. This is an example of dots, and don't forget that the 36 is first, so you better make sure the 6's are first in your factoring. That is a common question they like to give you, is factoring dots backwards. This guy right here means that there are 2 of them, because that's what squared means, so you can write it out as 2 of them. Times. This is a basic trinomial, what multiplies to make negative 18 and adds up to 3. And that's going to be x plus 6 times x minus 3. Okay, because negative 18 need 2 different signs and need to add up to positive 3. Like that. And then lastly, x minus 3 is already done. So that was the hard part, was to know to change to multiply and reciprocate, and then to factor was the second hardest thing. So we have to do the canceling. Now x plus 6 and x plus 6 are the same, but so are x plus 6 and 6 plus x. Remember, when you add, either direction is the same, so those are actually reduced to 1 as well. X minus 3 and x minus 3 cancel. So you're just left with a factor of 6 minus x, and that would be your answer. Now you can store and check your answer. Unfortunately, that's the only thing you can do, is check. If your answer doesn't check out, then you know you're wrong, and you're going to have to know, or go back and figure out what you did wrong.